welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Sumonali Sarambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. 3 arrested for diesel theft from Jio Tower in Patharkhma. Storm and rain wreak havoc in east and west Khasi Hills. NDWM promotes rights and welfare of domestic workers in Shillong. And smuggling declines on India-Bangladesh border, BSF official. And now the news in detail. Patharkhma police seized a vehicle at 3 p.m. on May 1st at the PWD junction carrying 6 plastic bottles filled with approximately 2020 to 2030 liters of stolen diesel. 3 individuals were arrested on the spot. During interrogation, the suspects confessed to stealing the fuel from the Reliance Jio Tower in Patharkhma. Similar thefts had been reported earlier and police suspect the same group may be responsible. Investigations are ongoing to identify buyers of the stolen diesel. Police praised the Good Samaritans who reported the theft promptly, enabling the swift arrests. Authorities have assured that strict legal action will be taken against the culprits to prevent such crimes in the future. On May 1st, residents and farmers across east and west Khasi Hills district, including Nongthamai, Thangmao, Maublay, Maukomit, Marot and nearby villages, faced severe weather marked by heavy rain, storms and cold. The rain began around 11 a.m. in Thangmao and at 1 p.m. in Maukomit. The storm caused significant damage to homes, schools and especially agriculture, just as crops had begun to sprout. Cold conditions further affected fruits and vegetables. Several rooftops were destroyed across affected villages. Village heads, Sodas, have urgently reported the damage to the Agriculture Department and BDO of Mairang Block, requesting immediate inspection and relief measures.
Ananas di cái nó phải ăn xử lý là cũng nó ơi nghe nó gọi lì cái từ người free thì thằng mày cái dụ mày na gì vợ đục quay phần là nó sẽ được gặp lạ thôi. Biscuit lấy là dụ kỳ. Trên này na phải từ đùa mà tay là pin tiền cho mọi lòng ba lụt lại trên này cái sọ bập lại chú học mà đàn
On May 1st, the National Domestic Workers Movement (NDWM) held an awareness program in Shillong to promote the welfare of domestic workers, especially those working abroad. Rachel Mauthaw, leader of the union, explained the club's objectives, focusing on protecting domestic workers from discrimination, ensuring fair wages, and guaranteeing proper rest and basic necessities during employment. She urged domestic workers to unite under NDWM for collective protection and support. Ms. Mauthaw also appealed to employees to show compassion by assisting workers who are sick, injured or hurt while performing their duties. The NDWM continues to advocate for the dignity and rights of domestic workers across the region.
All Meghalaya Domestic Workers Union dengan pendidikan kini kita kita union apa pendidikan yang ada. All Meghalaya Domestic Workers Union kebadan hak Secretary Jangka National Domestic Workers Movement Milagyo berperum kertanya hak khadsan dari jumlah pembar arah jakat hatanan labor Shillong. Kejingdan jadi Domestic Workers Union Meghalaya kala banyak nak bentai di Domestic Workers nak bentai kahok perkaburan kahok kajongki banten Khuborjylla banten yang nak bentai kahok kajongki kejing ada keimlang salam kejing siu ya kakam mati kakam kebedot ban itu ya kakam jongki kum kakam bat kejing no senyang ya keimlang salam kabai syakarai kapar jong keimlang salam kejing dawa pun kasai kamang bandan kini pres bandan kawal febun jong kita mesti fokus tapanan arsan hajarun kinong tre yubre pasyong basa ibawan buhay sinong idai kipala pendrung kertanya fokusan dan pun kinong tre ibalai syabar kejela kipentikna ban pendrung kertanya kasai ban kejing peniat nak peta kejing ada jong keimlang salam itu kinong tre badan hapok kasai iyo kejing tip syakang kahok jong kinong tre kejing ada keimlang salam kejing ada bat kejing ikai habor kejing tebet ki repair kum kejing shat kejing sumari kejing peniat ban kejing peniat ki kinong wan jong kai kejing sumari ki khna ikhulung bat itemen bat ki wei lembat kinong tre yen la ban tebet khai kakam kejing hi ban yo ikoram bat kahok kejing hi dengan ai Khuborjylla.
Speaking to the media in Shillong on 1st May, OP Upadhyay, Inspector General of Border Security Force, Meghalaya Sector, stated that smuggling and illegal trade along the India-Bangladesh border have significantly declined in recent months. He attributed this to the Indian government's efforts in strengthening border security and providing advanced equipment to the BSF. He added that BSF personnel patrol the border posts round the clock, ensuring tight security throughout the year. Upadhyay also highlighted the improved coordination between the BSF and state police, which has boosted public confidence. Residents of border villages have expressed satisfaction with the enhanced security and reduced illegal activities in their areas.
Withdrawal of forces, meaning BSF or many paramilitary forces guarding borders are being shifted back to Pakistan border.
I am not aware about these things because we are responsible for Meghalaya border and we are guarding it with full strength and full availability.
I wanted to point out a paradox. We need two areas where forest areas. So how do you reconcile this paradox? How many are there left unfenced? What is the reason?
Actually, roughly, if I can say, around 42 kilometers of border in Meghalaya is unfenced. And primarily it is because of the non-availability of the land. We are working in close coordination with the state government and the officers of the state government and the Honorable CM, they are also concerned about this issue and they are proactively working on that. And I am hopeful that the impediments in this regard will be very soon removed. The respective deputy commissioners of the concerned districts, they are also working on this issue, and they're trying to persuade the villagers, those who are land is going to be affected, and they have got this some concern that after coming of the fencing, the land ahead of the fence will not be available to them. So my approach is that we are ready to help all the border populations, people of the border areas, in whatever sense they will require our assistance, be it in the form of security and patrols, be it in the form of the gates in the fencing. We are ready for that. So from our side, there is no problem. But I also appeal through media to the people of the bordering district that they should cooperate and willingly hand over the lands to the constructing agencies, so that this is a project of the national importance. It has a bearing on the national security, and as soon as we get the area fenced, this will be better for the security of the state, the security of the nation, as well as the security of the border population. So this is the thing, and we are hopeful that we'll.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.